Good morning, children. Today I am going to start the new chapter, that is length, chapter 8 from class 3. What is our chapter name, children? Length. See, children, the standard unit of length is meter. What is the standard unit of length? Tell me, children. Meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Let us have fun with measurements of length. Let us have fun with the measurement of length. See, children, first question. You are given some objects here. Encircle all the objects which are showed by measuring length. Here down objects are given. What should do? You have to encircle the objects which are showed by measuring length. See, this one is what? Oil can. This is oil tin, no children. This one is what? Ribbon. This one is what, children? Cabbage. This one is what, children? Peanuts. Cloth. Rice bag. In these objects which are sold by measuring length, tell me, children. Yes, it is ribbon and cloth. These two objects you have to encircle it. This ribbon you have to encircle it, and this cloth you have to encircle it. These two objects are sold by measuring length. Look at the second sum. Compare the following. Compare the following. Here it is given height of classmate, height of your classmate, height of your teacher. You have to compare it. First one, what, children? Height of your classmate, height of your teacher. Comparing means what should do? You have to compare by using less than, greater than, or equal. See, children, height of your classmate, height of your teacher. Whose height will be more, children? Tell me. Yes, it is teacher. So here we have to write less than symbol. Height of your classmate is less than height of your teacher. Second one, length of blackboard, length of your mathematics book. Length of blackboard, length of your mathematics book. Which length is more, blackboard or mathematics book, children? Tell me. Yes, blackboard. So here we have to compare by using the greater than symbol. Length of blackboard is greater than length of your mathematics book. Next one. Length of your middle finger, length of your forefinger. Which length is more, middle finger or forefinger? Yes, middle finger is more. So here also we have to use the symbol greater than. Next one. Side of your handkerchief, side of your bathing towel. Which side will be more, handkerchief or bathing towel? Yes, bathing towel will be more. So here we'll use the symbol less than. See, children, height of your classmate is less than height of your teacher. Length of blackboard greater than length of your mathematics book. Length of your middle finger greater than length of your forefinger. Side of your handkerchief less than side of your bathing towel. Remember, children, to measure big lengths and long distances, we make use the unit called kilometer. Kilometer is the unit to measure the big lengths and long distances. Which unit you use to measure big lengths and long distances? Tell me, children. Kilometer. Some another units are there to measure the length. Centimeter, meter and kilometer. Some other units are there to measure the length. What are the units? Tell me, children. Centimeter, meter and kilometer. Centimeter we can write it as cm. Meter we can write it as m. Kilometer we can write it as km. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Tell me, children. 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Is it clear, children? If you want to measure the long distances and big lengths means which unit will use? Kilometer. Centimeter, meter and kilometer, these are the three units used to measure the length of different objects. Worksheet 1. See, children. Select the correct unit from the box to measure the following lengths. Here in the box, measurements of units is given. You have to select it, the correct unit from the box to measure the following lengths. Means here the fill in the blanks is given. You have to choose the correct unit. Meter we can written as by letter M. Centimeter you can use by written as letter cm. Kilometer you can written by km. Meter, centimeter and kilometer. First one, length of your skirt by shorts. Which unit will use? Centimeter cm. Length of your skirt by shorts. Which unit will use? Centimeter cm. Height of a room. Which unit you use? Tell me children. Meter m. Height of a room. Meter m. Breadth of your maths book. Centimeter cm. Breadth of your maths book. Centimeter cm. Next D1. Distance between Delhi and Agra. Distance between Delhi and Agra. Which unit will use to measure the length? Kilometer km. Length of your thumb. Which unit will use to measure the length of your thumb? Tell me children. Thumb. Centimeter cm. Distance between the earth and the moon. Which unit will you use to measure the length of distance between earth and the moon? Tell me children. Kilometer km. Length of a canal. Kilometer. Length of cloth needed to stitch a curtain. Meter. Is it clear children? Okay. Fill in the blank. Second one is fill in the blank. The biggest unit of length is what? Tell me children. What is the biggest unit of length? Kilometer. I told now what are the units of length? Meter, centimeter and kilometer. Biggest unit of length is kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? Tell me children. 1000 meter. The standard unit of length is what children? Yes, it is correct, meter. The standard unit of length is meter. The length of a railway track is measured in kilometer. The length of a railway track is measured in kilometer. Is it clear children? What are the fill in the blanks? I explained no children from worksheet 1, first one and second one. Do neatly in your notebook. What is the assignment work for you children? Tell me. From worksheet 1 you have to do 1 and 2 sums. Do neatly in your notebook. Thank you children. Thank you. Have a nice day.